We definitely have rough waters ahead of us, not just in crypto, but in the entire kind of financial market scenario. If you look at the landscape out there and you look at what's going on and you look at how countries are now starting to move away from the dollar, right? And that's number one. Number two, you look at the messaging coming from the government. We're about to look at this in a minute. We got rough waters ahead of us. Now, is this a doom and gloom video? Is this the sky's falling? No, this is just to me to make you aware of these things, right? And to have a dialogue and to let you know that frankly, I believe that this is kind of part of the process, right? It's part of the process of what I'm about to show you. And ultimately, I think we'll come out stronger for it. So I have to give Watcher.guru credit. Highly recommend you give them a follow over on Twitter. And no, I'm not being paid by anybody at Watcher Guru like this. They have a great Twitter feed and they write really great content. This just came out a few minutes ago. US Treasury says decentralized crypto markets threaten national security. Okay. That is a scary headline. It is a scary article. And it is something that scares me a little bit, point blank. But it doesn't surprise me. Crypto is a disruptor, period. It scares governments. It scares the entire financial banking sector. That's a big sector, right? It's been doing the same, been doing it their way for a long time. It scares them. And when something scares people like crypto, what is the first thing you do? Most people attack it, and we're being attacked every single day. I've done videos on this. Okay. Rough waters ahead. Is this oh my God, the sky is falling and the ship is on fire in the middle of the ocean scenario? No, it is just part of it, right? It's part of the process. So if you continue down and kind of take a look at some of the other things, this just happened. $10 trillion asset manager BlackRock, Paris's headquarters taken over by by protesters in Paris. Craziness. But you continue to look down this. I want to show you this. Former President Trump says China will probably displace the US dollar as #1 currency in the world. That goes back to that first thing I said. You got a lot of upheaval and disruption going on right now around the US dollar. Okay. You have alliances being made, Russia and China and all this. There is some spooky stuff out there. You need to be aware of it. 3 U.S. congressmen introduced gold standard bill to stabilize the U.S. dollar's value. Doesn't surprise me that that's there. This one, U.S. Congresswoman MTG says United States should, quote, go back to the gold standard, not digital currency payment systems. And the hits keep on coming. Every single day, there is something out there about somebody saying, a talking head or some type of a government official or something throwing stones at crypto. It's part of the narrative. Rough waters ahead. But do I believe that these are death blows to crypto? No, I don't. You have major crypto innovation, blockchain. You cannot ignore the power of blockchain. And you have companies like Amazon and Walmart and all of them, and Disney investing and moving forward with blockchain technology. Crypto is here to stay. It is. It's going to have different looks and versions and things like this. And there's going to be road bumps and there's going to be issues and there's going to be rough waters. There will be regulation in one way or the other is coming. It will. Again, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just telling you the obvious. But the point is this: crypto will survive. It may look a little bit different from where we're at today, but ultimately it will survive. And I think it will be stronger. And you'll see the entire crypto market capitalization go up over time as well. Regulation is the keys to bringing trillions and trillions into crypto to ultimately grow all of our proverbial bags and make, the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum and all of the blue chips and all of crypto move up in valuation. But it will take time and we have rough waters to get there. Again, this is just my opinion. Thank you truly for giving me a voice. But I wanted to address some of the elephants in the proverbial room. Is that every single day you're going to see somebody or somewhere, something talking bad about crypto. And don't let it dissuade you or tear you apart or away from your vision and your goal of what you're trying to do with crypto for your life, to improve your life, your family's life, or whatever it may be, whatever aspect of crypto you're in. Thank you for your time. I'll see you. Have a good one. Take care.